Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to turn on and turn off on-screen keyboard text prediction in Windows PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your on-screen keyboard. You can see here on-screen keyboard. If here I press H key, you can see here prediction text house, has, how, high, have. If press S, you can see here so many text prediction is showing. If you want disable this option, click on option. You can see here bottom side text prediction, use text prediction. If you are check this option, you should uncheck this option, then click on OK. Now if you have press H key, not showing prediction text. So in this way you enable and disable text prediction on screen keyboard in Windows PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.